Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not new, thank you so much for coming back. So guys, I know it's been a while since I put up a cook video, and here we are today. I'm going to try and recreate the Java food breakfast. I'm going to leave an image on the screen so that you can see what I'd like to come up with. And yeah, let's just get straight to the video. And on our ingredients today, guys, you're going to need eggs. So I have here 2 eggs. I also have potatoes because we are going to be needing potato wedges. So I have my potatoes over there, all clean. Then I also have sausages. You're going to need sausages as well. Over here, I just have a Nescafe and I have sugar. I'm going to be making dalgona, as people call it, but yeah, it's just like cappuccino, and I have a video on that. I'm going to link it so that you can watch the full video. You're also going to need baked beans, and you're going to need some bread. So guys, the first thing that we are going to do is boil our potatoes. Now I'm just boiling it for a few minutes because I don't want it to be like mushy. I just want it to soften up a little bit so that by the time I'm putting it inside the oven, it's going to cook faster. Because yeah, so over there I just added my salt. Let's say 1.5 tablespoons. Yeah, just like that, and I'm going to let it boil as I make my coffee. Now I'm just going to add in 3 teaspoons of Nescafe, and I'm going to add like a teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of water, and then I'm just going to mix this. For a full detailed video on how I make this coffee of mine, I'm going to link it on top here or on my description box so that you guys can go and check it out if you would be interested.
Ryan Little.
So guys, over here I'm just oiling my tray because this is the tray that I'm going to use to put my potatoes inside the oven. Just make sure you put enough oil. Also don't put too much, just enough to make your potatoes not, yani, to avoid your potatoes sticking from the tray. And over here I just drained the water. As you can see guys, they're not so mushy, they are still like whole. Then I'm just going to go ahead and add in my spices, and the first thing I'm adding is paprika. Now guys, there's no specific amount or specific spice that you should put, it's any that you like. Now the next one is mixed herbs. I love the taste it brings, and turmeric, and remember we had put some salt. And yeah guys, that's it for today's potato wedges. And I'm just going to squeeze in like a half a lemon like that. Then I'm just going to make sure they're all mixed well, and I'm going to put it inside my tray. Then I'm going to take it to my oven, which was preheating, and I'm going to leave it there for about 30 minutes until they are crunchy. And next guys, we are just going to fry our sausages, just the normal frying of sausages, you know. Yeah. Now guys, over here I have the egg whites. I separated the yolks from the egg whites because I want it to be fluffy and I don't want to break the yolk. So I'm just going to beat this egg whites until it's fluffy like that. As you can see, it's super fluffy. Then I'm going to go ahead and put in my egg yolks because I didn't want to break them. Then the next thing, I'm just going to let it spread just a little bit on the pan, and then I'm going to cover it for like a minute or so. And this is how our egg is looking. As you can see, it's super fluffy. And yeah, I just like making it this way. It's a bit different and it looks whole, you know. So yeah, the next step is just to put my bread inside the pan. I didn't add anything, margarine or butter or Blue Band, just toasting them as they are, just like that. Over here guys, my potatoes are ready, and now the next step, we are going to start plating. Now guys, I realized that I lost a footage of me plating the other stuff on the plate. I just have this where I'm putting the potato wedges. As you can see, they look super delicious, and they really were. They were also crunchy. Yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate how you think I did comparing to the Java full breakfast. I'm going to put it on the screen, and I'll also put mine so that you can tell me how I did. But you guys know I'm in love with Java. I just love everything Java, and I decided to just try out this because I had it once and loved the breakfast. Also, it's so filling. You can have this for brunch. Yeah. And this is my end product. There I have my sausages, my baked beans, my coffee, and my bread. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye. Are you still carefree to defeat that you don't know?